I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your Tesla Roadster fast in Jailbreak full guide. Start by backing up your save and locating the tuning menu in-game, then prioritize engine and battery upgrades for top speed gains. Focus on weight reduction parts and aerodynamic kits next, then fine-tune gear ratios and suspension for better acceleration and handling. Test each change on a long straightaway record results, and iterate until you hit your performance goals. Open the mod menu and buy the highest rated motor upgrade you can afford first, since motor and torque changes yield immediate acceleration gains. Then increase battery capacity and discharge to keep that power consistent during longer runs. Replace stock panels and seats with lightweight alternatives to reduce mass and improve the power-to-weight ratio. Finally, test with progressive upgrades so you can measure which parts give the best speed per dollar. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more tuning tutorials. It really helps. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it easy to tidy up parts and cables while you tweak settings, and its smart mapping saves time between test runs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After installing hardware, spend time tuning gear ratios and aerodynamic settings for your preferred tracks and playstyle. Shorter gears help in city sprints, while longer final drives help on highways and long straights. Lower the suspension a touch and firm up dampers for sharper cornering without sacrificing high-speed stability. Use incremental changes and test runs to avoid overcorrection, and remember that balanced tuning often beats extreme setups in real races.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.